Hey there, everybody. So, whenever you guys purchase an ESC and a stack or a combo stack, you always want to test the ESC, make sure that it's working. And what I mean by that is, don't solder anything to the board at all. Plug it up to Betaflight, and hook your one plug up to your flight controller that plugs into your ESC, and then plug it in to your computer for Betaflight. And if you go to setup and click calibrate accelerometer, you can see if you move this around, the accelerometer will move around like this. If it does not move around, you have a bad flight controller. The little thing in there, the gyro, that lets you know whether or not you're level or turning right or turning left, is probably bad, and you need another flight controller. So I always plug up to Betaflight first and make sure everything's working, and then I'll solder. Because if for some reason something's wrong with this and you solder and it's damaged for whatever reason, they won't take it back. So you have to have, good reason to make sure that they'll return it. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and unplug. Just unplug from Betaflight. And this is a hglrc Veyron 35C pusher. It's a pusher quad that I'm building. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love you guys. Bye.